my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a stylish baby frock. So I need all of these materials. I hope this paper cutting will help you to understand that how I am going to do this project. Here I am also cutting out the margin, but you shouldn't cut. Make sure while you are cutting on fabric, add extra margin as I am doing here. Front part and back part. This is the center part and side part which I am going to sew it later. Now move to the front part and hem the edges with the help of iron. Again, here I am marking the front part 7-inch shoulder, but I am taking here 3.5 inch and half inch for the margin like this. So it's total 4 inch. Let's arrange all the fabric that it could help you to understand that what I am going to do and what is the design of the frock. Now pin both the fabric and lining and sew it. While I am sewing the neckline, I am always focused. Because for the perfect outfit, it's most important that neckline should be neat and clean. Cut out the extra fabric. Around the neckline, give small slit. Turn the right side out. And iron it. Again, sew the neckline. Here I am going to pin all the plates like this, and see, I am going to sew it. Time to sew this lace. Now move to the back part, where I am going to sew the all pleats like this. Take the upper part of the fabric and join both of the fabric like this. Both of the back part place on the lining and sew it in a straight line. After sewing, divide them into 2 pieces. Flip it and sew it. Do the same thing with the other part also. And now sew the armhole line and neckline. Take the front part for measure the shoulder and armhole, but make sure take half inch extra for hemming the edges. Do the same things with the other shoulder also, and after sewing, both of the shoulders should be matched. Take a 3-inch width and 12-inch length strip. Fold it in half and sew it. Join this strip with the back part of the right side. Take both of the back part and place like this and match the seam line with each other and pin it here. Now sew only 2 inch from the lower portion and rest of the back just leave as it is. Why I do like this with the baby frocks? Because instead of fashion, it is more important. It should be make them easy to wear. Sew the armhole line and neckline. Now, time to join the shoulder both front and back. Here, I am joining the leftover lining with the front part. Now, hemming the edges, both lining and fabric. Friends, you can see here the making process of this beautiful dress is so simple. And if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. At last, now time to body fitting. Turn the right side out. Sew the red lace. I have got 3 patches which I am going to sew it. Then iron it for its neat looks. Friends, how it is looking? Please let me know in the comment box. Now take a final look.